Oh, one of those guys in a dinosaur suit.
No, I think it's a real dinosaur.
Oh, really? Oh, no kidding. They're back. You see the guy's sneakers? That's a giveaway. It's a man in a dinosaur suit, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, we're doing this Sunday is the 6th annual Dinosaur Day at the Newark Museum. It's from 10 a.m. to 4:30 in the afternoon.
This one is really ornery.
They have model T-Rexes. They're going to learn lessons about prehistoric times, hunt for fossils and gems, and we're getting a sneak peek today. Anna Gilligan in the middle of all this wildlife this morning. Hi, Anna.
Hey, good morning. I've composed myself from the hurricane simulator. So I'm here outside of Newark Museum. They're giving us a great preview of all of the really exciting science that you can see this morning. I feel like I'm back in Earth science class. And here with me is Dr. Calderon. He's the director of science here at the museum. So tell us a little bit about Dinosaur Day. It's in its 6th year.
Good morning. Dinosaur Day is a day that the museum opens its doors to all communities to learn about the geological sciences. The best way to learn about that is through one of the disciplines, and that's paleontology, and dinosaurs are part of that. So on Dinosaur Day, the kids will be able, and families, to discover science by actually participating in the activity of science. We're going to have everything from a hurricane simulator. We're going to have a mechanical dinosaur. We're going to have a sluicing apparatus. We're going to have birds of prey, live animals, reptiles. So it's going to be a wonderful day of activities, and visitors can go into our website, newarkmuseum.org, and get the day's activity. Parking is available on site, and we're also going to have a Diego the Nickelodeon character on site.
Very fun, and it's good for kids of all ages, right? Bring the whole family?
This is a family event. We can bring everything from toddlers, so they can start very early, getting the idea that science is fun, is interactive, to a grandma and grandpa. It's for everybody. We're also going to have on site a barbecue, a dinosaur barbecue.
Yes, and we'll show the barbecue and the dinosaur in the next hour. Thank you, Dr. Calderon. We're going to show you a few demos now. This is Dr. Gates. He's with Rutgers University at Newark. They're working in partnership with the museum. So first of all, this is your earthquake simulator. Tell me a little bit about this and what you're going to show us.
Okay, sure. This is we built these models to try to teach kids about science in the schools. And so we take them here as part of this project. This is a National Science Foundation funded project to teach them. And here's where we put together a device where you can show how earthquakes work, how it works on a seismograph, and also some of the devices that you can put into the ground to make it so that earthquakes weren't as dangerous.
So this is a building that would just be on solid ground, and this is to explain what the difference is between these two.
Right. So in California, if you live there or any earthquake-prone area, they put what are called base isolation devices, which make it so that the ground can shake, but the building tries to stay the same.
So can we give it a go?
Sure. So let's show you what would happen in something like this. So you see what happens is the one that's on the ground falls over, but look at this one. It stays up even though there's an earthquake running.
Very cool. Thank you.
Sure.
And then very quickly, we're almost out of time. This is the tsunami simulator. Can you show us how that works?
Sure. With a tsunami, you know, there's a big wave that comes into the shore, but really they're generated by uplift. And then the wave comes in, and they're what are called harbor waves because they show up in the harbor. So what kids can do with this is you can just lift up on this plunger and the wave comes in. So you can then see how tsunami waves work.
And how do you know a tsunami is coming? Very quickly.
Well, the big thing is if you'll notice, when you first pull it in, the water all pulls away from the beach. And so if you're sitting on the Jersey Shore and the water pulls 100 feet away from the shoreline, run.
You've got about 3 or 4 minutes, right?
3 or 4 minutes, and then the wave's going to come in.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Gates. So much cool stuff here to show you this morning. Back in the next hour, we'll show you a model dinosaur, a mighty T-Rex, and we've got some sluicing for minerals. I bet you don't know what that word means, but I'll tell you all about it at 9 o'clock. Back to you guys in the studio.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Anna. What are you doing over there,
Yeah,
Greg?
you're right about that. I just wanted to better look at the earthquake simulator.
All right, good.